All right, so this is going to be the pad for one of our modular shelters. This is going to be a 10 by 30 foot bunker, but the overall length is actually 42 feet long. But we got the crane in place, and we're going to pull the bunker in here right now. Look how that thing's big. We're going to pull the bunker in here right now and get this thing set before it gets dark because the sun's setting.
Which end does it? Where do we need it on the slab?
It goes 1 foot from the back end, 12 inches from the side on each side, and 12 inches back in from the back side.
I need a tape measure and a pencil.
All right, who's got a tape?
All right, these guys are just gonna take.
Hey, if that falls on your head, it's gonna hurt. It's like, it's gonna be on TV and our name's on the crane.
I just want to like that. You know where you want it down there, don't you?
Hey, don't put your foot underneath it, you'll lose your other toenail.
Hardware run, please.
Right there. Hold on a second.
Yeah. Get you a bolt ready. Let me do spud wrench. Got that fixed now.
I hope it doesn't fall. Hey, Wes, don't bust your fat ass. But anyway, you guys see that galvanized air pipe right there? That's actually letting the air out. That's coming out of the generator pod room. Let me show you guys something that makes every Atlas shelter badass. You see this 6-inch galvanized air pipe? First of all, it's not going to rust, but you see at the bottom of this pipe, that's the check valve. So if somebody tries to pour gas into this air pipe, it goes straight into the ground.
Okay, is anybody else down there? Nobody? Okay.
Shows the generator pod with the air pipe and the condensation air pipe, the big hatch with the generator room. It's been coated. All right, so what we did is we sandblasted the shelter and we went ahead and coated it with Carboline, which is a 2-part rubberized epoxy coating on the exterior to prevent corrosion. All right, so what we're gonna do next here is we're gonna go ahead and put wood forms all the way around the shelter, and we're gonna pour 12 inches of 4,000 PSI concrete all the way around the sides and over the roof. All right, so that pipe right there is the escape tunnel that leads from the back wall up to the surface in case the front door gets blocked off. All right, so I'm walking around the shelter checking it, but we're getting ready to form this up and pour the concrete in the dark. All right, just so you guys understand, this customer's going to build a house over this bunker, so this area, this entire area is going to be covered in concrete. Now I'm going to show you this ballistic hatch. So you've got to pull there's a lock in here. You take the lock off, take the lock out of there, okay? And then you back up, and then the hatch will open up by itself. And then you got the stairs, you go down the stairs. It's a little dirty right now because you can tell it's still under construction, but then you go down inside the shelter to the stairs, and you got all these crazy doors down here. So going back up, that's what you see looking up. It's got 4 hydraulic lifts on it. This one does anyway. It's actually too many probably. This thing would raise a tank. Anyway, thought you enjoyed seeing this hatch. Put your knee on it. There you go. See, it's hydraulically lifted. Matter of fact, we need to take one of the hydraulics off. It's a little too much. Yeah. So hook it in there. All right, so this is the nuclear blast hatch for the stairs for an Atlas survival shelter. Now they're going to pour the foundation for the house, and they've already got the plumbing run from the bunker and the electrical, and that will lead down the stairs into the wine cellar, and they're going to form up and start to do the foundation now. They've already got all the plumbing run, so it's ready to go. All right, so this is the bunker I've been doing on Valentine's Day 2018. We're filming a TV episode in here. So you got this door right here, which leads to the generator room. Then you've got to go through this gas tight door here into the decontamination room. It's got a shower and a second door, and then you're into this bunker. This is the bathroom. It's got an uphill flushing toilet and mirror, and it's a regular bathroom. And this is like a living room. And then this is the kitchen. Believe it or not, we're underground right now in a bunker. It's really nice, isn't it? Behind that thing is a gun cabinet and an air system, and behind that door is the escape tunnel. But we did everything to make this thing look anything but a bunker. Yeah. So it's got hidden compartments. It's got a full bathroom in here.
Comes with a
shower.
camera guy.
Yeah, it comes with a camera guy. Got these badass doors, decontamination room. Got a generator room over here. And then up the stairs, okay? Thought you might enjoy seeing what I've been doing. Okay,
So this
see you
door
later.
isn't shut.